Hello, this is Trista, and this is day 5 of our journey of exploring routines and habits around our home and talking about our creativity. So today I'm talking about ways to make cleaning less mundane, because as creative people we can think, oh my gosh, it's the same chore over and over again. So I had an epiphany about that yesterday because I am not the best person at dusting, but I've been looking for ways to connect with it more and find ways where I actually look forward to it and enjoy it. So one of those ways is to develop a house spirit. This has become the Buddha statue that's in our living room, so I imagine that he would like a clean place to rest there and look over the home. So that caused me to do a little more dusting. And then the second one is to really emotionally connect to the rooms and the things that you're doing in them. So take some time to sit in the room, sit in the areas where you are, and just notice how you feel there, and maybe take away some things, move around some things, do a little cleaning to see if it feels better to you. Just notice the energy there, and if you take some quiet time, you'll notice that. And the third one is paying attention to something that you want. So something you want to appear in your life. There's a group I really want to join, and it's coming up next month, and I want to set that intention to join that group. And so I put a sticky note under the tray where I put fruit and things for the Buddha. And this worked for me last time when I wanted to join a course and needed the money for that course, and I was able to find that. So I also imagine if I keep that area clean and neat and tidy, then that will increase my chances of that happening. So all different ways of thinking about dusting. Isn't that fun? And really hilarious sometimes. So I invite you today to think of these 3 ways, give them a try, see what happens. I'm going to go explore our TV room next because it always gets really dusty down there, and see if there are ways I can enjoy it more down there too. So let me know in the comments how this works for you. And